Dear fellow woodworker, have you ever wanted to build something, because you cannot find it, retail? Thought of making something custom for a specific need but don't know where to start? Wanted to buy nice furniture but can't afford high-quality pieces? Thought of upcycling wood you found but afraid of messing it up? Struggle to find detailed plans to build your dream project? These are the issues I faced years ago when I started woodworking. And it is the same challenges many of my students are still facing today. Now if you want to create the projects you've dreamed of quickly and easily, instead of spending days, months or years looking for something or God forbid, spending a fortune hiring someone to do it for you, and you crave the satisfaction of creating something beautiful with your own hands, then this may be the most important letter you'll ever read. Ted Woody McGrath, Certified Master Woodworker, Educator, Trainer, Author, Member of AWI. Here's the big problem. When I started looking online for plans and buying magazines, here's what I discovered. Most plans and woodworking magazines are complete garbage. Here's why. Plans are not specific enough. They either lack a step or they lack descriptions or measurements. Instructions that leave out vital information, assuming that you are experienced enough to fill in the blanks. Assuming you're a master craftsman with access to expensive tools and a large workshop. Plans that are too complex for beginners that require thousands of dollars in high-end machinery. And in many cases, there is simply not enough detail. Woodworking box. One of projects I saw was for a modern wardrobe, but the details on how to put it together were terrible. You have to start guessing at where to attach carriage bolts, etc. Another was that the top back board is not straight as it has design to it, which was not explained. So I took paper template and drew out and traced on boards best I could for one of my students. These so-called step-by-step plans make woodworking harder than it actually is. No wonder woodworking seems so hard. So I've decided to solve all that. Chair woodworking plans. Well, luckily for you, these problems become a blessing in disguise. Because I have spent the last 25 plus years putting together the world's most comprehensive collection of woodworking plans. These one-of-a-kind plans are drafted by hundreds of students and myself, which you will not find anywhere else. So what if I told you that you could get your hands on 16,000 woodworking projects? With already done-for-you plans that include step-by-step instructions, drawings and blueprints. So you can build stunning, professional woodworking projects easily, quickly and hassle-free? Introducing TedsWoodworking, Earth's largest database of woodworking projects. TedsWoodworking plans. Make 16,000 projects with step-by-step plans. Even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. So what makes a perfect woodworking plan? Simply put, it must be detailed enough to leave nothing to guesswork, yet simple enough for beginners. It must also contain complete instructions from start to finish. Look at the features and see why our plans are 10x better than all mass-market plans. Feature number 1. Step-by-step instructions. Step-by-step woodwork plans. You get detailed projects with step-by-step, A to Z instructions that makes building projects super fast, super easy and super fun. With the simple, hold-you-by-the-hand instructions, you can complete woodworking projects in the small fraction of the time it currently takes you. It's like having a master woodworker by your side, guiding you through the entire project. Feature number 2. Cutting and materials lists. Cutting and materials list for woodworking. You get exact cutting and materials list for every project. You will be able to buy exact amounts, which means you'll stop wasting your hard-earned cash on wrong wood, wrong materials or the wrong quantity. It saves time and cuts down waste. It saves money. You'll spend more time building, less time fretting. Feature number 3. Detailed schematics. Detailed woodworking plans. With sharp and colorful schematics included in each plan, there's simply no guesswork involved. The level of details makes the most challenging project a walk in the park. When instructions are this clear, your project builds itself. All the pieces just click into place. You'll complete projects in a fraction of the time it usually takes you. Feature number 4. Multiple views from all angles. Wood plans multiple views. You get to see exactly how everything should look before you build them. Most plans don't include this and simply assume you'll end up building something that doesn't look like the drawing. You get intricate details of every angle, every corner, every joint. The plans will never leave you guessing or scratching your head over any detail. Feature number 5. Suitable for beginners and pros. Easy free wood plans. We've got plans that cover all levels of skill and competence. You do not need to be a master woodworker or have expensive machinery to use our plans. Whether you're a complete beginner, an amateur woodworker with hand tools, or a seasoned pro, you'll find thousands of projects that will suit your level. The entire collection of plans covers everything from simple crafts to larger, more ambitious furniture and woodshop projects. There is something for everyone.